Sprayed.
For ticks. Ow! Mother.
I didn't. You should wear a hat. Why not be getting in the front door?
Jeez. I'm calling the window.
I know.
I just want to see the front.
Pretty good size house.
Yeah, it is. Nails. What's this? Oh!
Cookie
It's the
cutter?
hot water.
Oh,
No.
thought it was a cookie cutter. Oh, wow. Yeah, this is a good place.
Look at the linoleum. Oh, wasp.
I don't think he's going to bug you. Ooh. Sometimes I don't know if the light helps or hurts, you know,
Oh, look at the wallpaper.
because it can adjust pretty good.
You have a baby food drawer?
Guess it shows off. Yeah. Easy.
You have a baby food drawer?
Look at that. Oh, it's the top of a, like a cookie.
Cookie jar?
Yeah.
There's a record up there.
Where do you see? Old 45. At least there's no basement. It's so worn I couldn't tell you who it is. Is that a storm cellar? Oh. Whatever it is flooded. I think it is. See the concrete and then.
Look at all the layers of wallpaper. There's at least 3.
This, I did not mark this. This was just something I seen. It's real well hidden. You couldn't even really see it. Bleeding tree cutting. Oh man, these stairs.
Here, don't do that. Honey,
Lois.
you're gonna get hurt.
Well, yeah, there's always that possibility. Or everything could go fine. You just never know. Yuck. Glad I didn't stick my hand in that.
There's a lot of mold in here.
Why'd they have to have carpet? Damn it. places always have carpet. Not always, but you can't see the floor. The laundry room's upstairs. Well, dryer's upstairs. Another room. Don't know what that one's for. Look at that old vacuum. And Kenmore. Broke it. There's some old dirt in there. Man, there's nothing to this house. Kind of. I don't really want to go any further. It's bad up there. There's sections of the floor. I was like, I'm brave, but I was like, I'll land on Lois. Right here, you can see it's sagging, but I couldn't get in the room. But this could. I went through a wall and got the video. This room right here. Then there's a room over there. The wall or the door has a hasp on the outside of it.
A what?
A lock hasp. So, and then it looks like the dryer room is up there. What's that? Anything special?
What?
Just paper.
Yeah.
For the ceiling. There's 1980s right there. I hated that paneling growing up. And my parents, I don't know if yours would, they take a match in between that piece and
do what?
light the match.
Ha!
They light the match in between those spots. Anything else down here?
No,
Can we go out the front door?
I don't know. I don't think so.
What do you mean? Big spot right there. Look. But yeah, you were complaining because the branch came back and hit you. I was like,
It snapped. I was like, whoa.
I'm bleeding. And you're like, yelling, what the hell, woman? And there's a bunch of that, like in one pile. I went,
Is it poo?
yeah, I was putting my hand to help myself, and I looked right to the left of my hand. It was like some dog decided, you know what? This is my restroom spot forever. I bet you that was a nice archway before they ruined it. See that?
Nice big house. Yeah.
I bet you it was something that is today.
I do love the wallpapers in here.
What are those?
I don't know. Looks like mushrooms.
They don't look like mushrooms. They look like...
Mushrooms?
Eat it.
They're mushrooms.
So you can eat it and be fine.
No.
They look like someone's cooked it. So it's even better. Perfume bottle.
Is that a saucer?
A what?
Oh no, it's some kind of lid.
See the perfume bottle?
Yep.
What are you looking at?
The saucer. I thought it was a saucer, but it's like a lid.
Some old... Is that top? What? Birds. Lois, I swear to God, you're going to scare...
Look at that wallpaper.
You scare me. You scare me more than anything scares me in the houses. Because when you make a noise, I don't know what for.
Well, isn't bad.
Well,
It's a little surprise.
you are surprised by a lot of things. What is this, a Coke bottle? Oh, it's a plastic one. Is that a shoe? Oh my God, you see that shoe?
No? Oh!
That's as big as I'm gonna get that.
Oh, shit. Oh.
What is that? Flower? A flower? Linoleum?
Yeah. See it?
Another bathtub. Where's their sinks? I haven't seen one. Oh, okay. It was probably right there. You can see where the ledge of it used to be. It's kind of been walking.
See
Already
them all
had.
sticking up? Thanks for pushing me over.
I pushed you out of the way.
Oh, yeah.